Lake is one of the many family-friendly destinations in the Adirondacks. And at the Wild Center, families congregate indoors during the winter and outdoors during the summer to learn about nature, animals, and the Adirondack's special environment.
Yeah, so the Wild Center we really think is a place where we can hopefully inspire people to create a passion for the Adirondacks. We want to provide a new perspective on the Adirondacks and really hope to help people fall in love with this place. Here at the Wild Center, we really like to think that we're redefining what a museum can be. Not only are we a nature museum, we're also a science center. We like to think of ourselves as an aquarium and a bunch of other things. Part of that are these hands-on exhibits that our naturalists and educators create.